Hey guys, welcome back to a few of my videos because I haven't uploaded videos in a very long time, a month or two, so because I got a new phone a few months ago, like last month, and I haven't been uploading YouTube videos on my old phone. I've been paying more attention to my new phone recently, so um I am going to start uploading more videos today. Sorry for the inconvenience, guys. It's really hard for like when you get a new phone and your old phone don't pay attention to it anymore. So yeah, guys, I'm so sorry. If you forgive me, just subscribe. And around night, around 1 p.m., 12 a.m., even 5 or 6 a.m., I'm going to upload a lot of videos and I just wanna really make it up to you guys because I feel bad for you guys that I haven't made videos for y'all so long. So yeah, guys, I'll see you when I make a video, I guess. Peace.